Registration is officially open for the 2025 SADA, Dental and Oral Health Congress and Exhibition. Welcome to the SADA Spotlight, your source for all things dental, oral health, and professional development in South Africa. Today, I've got some exciting news for all dental professionals, students, and exhibitors across the country. Registration is officially open for the 2025 SADA, Dental and Oral Health Congress and Exhibition. From July 25th to 27th July 2025, we're coming together at the Durban International Convention Center, a world-class venue in one of South Africa's most vibrant cities, to explore the future of dentistry. Whether you're a dentist, oral hygienist, dental therapist, dental assistant, or an industry exhibitor, this event is tailored just for you. Expect a powerful lineup of renowned local and international speakers, sharing cutting-edge research, techniques, and innovations in oral health. This Congress is CPD accredited, meaning you'll earn valuable points while gaining fresh insights and networking with peers. And exhibitors, listen up. This is your chance to showcase your products and services to a concentrated, targeted audience of South Africa's dental professionals. Reserve your space now to be part of the most anticipated oral health event of the year. Registration is fast and easy. Just head to www.sadacongress.co.za to secure your spot. Plus, early bird specials are available, so don't wait. And here's a final reminder. The SADA Dental and Oral Health Congress is more than just a professional event. It's a chance to connect, learn, and grow in an ever-evolving field. We can't wait to see you in Durban this July. Stay informed, stay inspired, stay smiling. This has been your SADA 2025 Dental and Oral Health Congress and Exhibition Spotlight. Hope to see you in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal.